Okay, paint fans, we're gonna go check in on these three classes once again to see where they are now that they will be winding down in about half hour, 45 minutes or so. So we're gonna go into Stephanie's class first and see what they're doing.
And then if I can get you guys to want me to take that to the next classroom, that'd be wonderful. Okay.
Yes.
Super excited.
Beautiful colors.
Yes.
Gorgeous colors.
I did, I flew it. Wow, look at that. Look at that. I'll say this.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
We'll stop and get a different pair of what's already happening.
How'd you guys do?
I really like how mine came out.
Beautiful colors. Beautiful everything. Would two of you mind just grabbing that table and pulling it to where that's on plastic? Just, or move those paintings further into the table, just so they don't leak on the floor, because there's no plastic under there. Everything go well, Stephanie?
Yes.
Wonderful. All right, we're gonna go pop into.
There's some that everybody's kind of hooked now, you know.
Oh yeah, they're hooked. Love, love, love it. That's fantastic.
Just had deja vu.
Why?
Because you said love, love, love.
I know.
That was the deja vu.
All right, we're gonna go head on over. Sorry if I'm a little bouncy.
And so,
Stephanie, I have your papers back here that were on the floor. Just
I'm sorry?
I have papers of yours that I'm putting on the back table. Your class list. They were on the
Oh, okay.
they were on the floor.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Sorry about that.
good morning.
Good morning.